In this video, I'd like to give just a brief overview of some of the basic features of Outlook 365. Of all the apps in the Microsoft Office suite of products, I think Outlook probably has the greatest differences between its desktop version and its 365 version, as the interface looks very, very different, and it's probably quite a bit simpler in the 365 version. So we'll take a few minutes just to review the basics of your 365 email Outlook. First of all, when you log into Office 365, as you normally log in, you'll see that you have all your apps here. If for some reason you're in a different app and you want to find Outlook, you can always go back up to your app picker and select Outlook from there. We're using the generic account here, so that's not a lot of email in this account, but you can see that it has all the things you'd expect in an email system: your inbox, your sent items, your drafts, and more. When you become a more advanced user, you can create groups. Um, to create a new email, you can select from the drop-down menu here. Typically, will be just an email message, although you can add to your calendar and also create groups from here as well. When you create a new message, typical format: the to, the carbon copy, the blind carbon copy, your subject, and your body. And you can attach from here as well. And we can get into more of these features when we do a little bit more of a thorough version of this program later. When you're looking for email that you've received, you have your inbox, and this is important to know about Outlook 365. There's two inboxes. You have your focused inbox, which is your familiar single person emails and the groups that you belong to, and then your other inbox, which can be junk mail, but also mail that you might want. But if it comes from a group, it sometimes gets filtered into this other inbox. So make sure that you're checking that other inbox from time to time, because some mail will go there. In your focused inbox here, I sent myself an email to the generic account. When we open it, you can see that you have your message, and then you have your reply all as your default. And this is important because you'll probably notice, and a lot of times when you're in a group chain of emails, you'll see somebody reply to everyone when they really probably should have just replied to the sender. To change that, you just drop this drop down and you select reply, and that'll go just to the sender of the email, not to the whole group. So it's always important to be thoughtful when considering whether or not to reply one or to reply all. I hope this covered some of the basics of Outlook 365, and if you have any questions, please let me know if I left anything out. And again, we'll do maybe a more thorough video on this in the future, but for now, I just wanted to put a quick overview in. Thanks.